A quick tour of the miMonitor WB10 10-zone underfloor heating wiring centre. So here we've got the power light, boiler enable light, pump enable light and valve enable light, and then we've got the zones 1 to 10 indicators as well. 4 screws to hold on the cover here. So if we take the cover off, we've got the main power input connections, and then we've got the thermostat connections, so up to 10 of those, and then we've also got the boiler terminal and the pump terminal, and then we've got the terminals for the thermal actuators which go on the underfloor heating manifold. And interestingly, a useful feature of this wiring centre is we've got a manual override, so we can override any given circuit. And that's great if you've got a new build project where maybe the thermostats aren't in place yet, but you want to run the underfloor heating to dry the screed or concrete. So that's a great feature. And we've also got a switch here which sets the delay on the pump override. And then we've also got a switch here which enables the 10th zone to be either an underfloor heating zone or a radiator zone. So again, a really handy feature. And the actual size of the unit is quite compact compared with other wiring centres on the market. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration. So if we set the thermostat here to come on, and then that should show the corresponding zone coming on, which in this case will be zone 3. So let me just turn that up another degree on the thermostat, and there we go. So it's brought on the boiler, the pump and the valve. So if you need any more information on the miMonitor WB10 wiring centre, please visit www.mimonitor.co.uk. That's miMonitor.co.uk.